Hello, my name is Lily. I am a Texas-based licensed MUA, and today I wanted to bring you guys just a quick little tutorial on this heart Valentine's Day look that I did. If you're interested in seeing how I made this look come to life, keep on watching. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, like, comment, and subscribe. To begin this serve today, I'm just going to be brushing in some e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer into my eyebrows in order to make them blend into my skin better. I'm then just going to go ahead and buff all that out with a brush and prepare to do the pink heart. Since I used concealer on them, I want to make sure to set them first using this Airspun loose powder. For the pink heart today, I'm using this Bo Bungles Pro Amazon face paint in their light pink shade. I showed both. I thought I was going to contour with the other one, but I just ended up using the light pink to create the heart. These paints are water activated, so I just dipped this brush into the water and into the paint, did a line down the middle of my face so that I could try to keep it as symmetrical as possible, and did the shape of the heart, filled everything in. Since this is a face paint and it dries down completely and matte, I didn't feel a need to set it with any powder, so I was able to go right on top with eyeshadow. To do the eyebrows today, I used this Sour Patch Kids palette in their red shade and went ahead and filled in my brows. Now using a pinky shade, I'm going to go ahead and pop that into the crease and blend it out. Taking that deeper red for my eyebrows, I'm going to go ahead and darken the outer corner. Cutting my crease with that same e.l.f. concealer, I like to look straight ahead so that I can see exactly where my crease is and where I'm putting the concealer. I'm then going in with the light pale shimmery shade in the inner corner. To blend that light color into the pink, I'm now going to go in with a more pinky glitter shade and blend it into the darker outer corner. Always go back with your outer corner color in order to blend everything together. Using this Morphe liquid glitter, I guess you could call it, on a detail brush, I'm going to define the half cut crease. Using this NYX white eyeliner pencil, I'm going to define the waterline, and then using this Miss A eyeliner in brown, I'm going to define the top lash line in order to create a seamless blend with the falsies. Maybelline Lash Sensational for the mascara, and then I'll be using the Miss A Lash Glue in clear to pop on my lashes. I believe these are just a cheap pair, probably from Shein or AliExpress or something, but I just wait for it to dry and then I pop it right on and adjust with tweezers. With that same red, I'm going to create almost like a contour-like effect. I try not to go too crazy on it, but I definitely needed to outline the heart and make it seem a little more two-dimensional and realistic. So I just did this contour on my cheek and then all over the edges of the heart and of course down my nose. I popped a quick little bit of highlight on my nose just to see if it was looking the way I wanted it to, and it was. So I went ahead and proceeded and added a little more pink to make more of a blushy effect. And then I went in and added the highlighter to the other high points of my face. Mascara on the bottom lashes, of course. And then for lips, I'm using this Milani liquid lipstick. I'm not sure exactly what color it's in, but as you can see, it is red. I'm now taking a cotton round and cleaning up all those edges, making sure that the heart was sharp and defined. Using a nail tool, I am applying these little jewel hearts, which I guess are probably also for nails, but I just pop those on with the same lash glue, 3 on each side, and then I am going in with I believe it's the Fit Me foundation to further define the heart and make sure that my skin around it is looking perfect. Set all over with this loose airspun powder. Now using that same lash glue, I'm using some craft pearls. I'm pretty sure I literally got them at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gluing them around the heart as equally as possible. To bronze up my face outside of the heart, I'm using this e.l.f. bronzer in Forever Sunkissed and just doing a little bit to warm up my face. ColourPop blush in Drop of a Hat. Now using this Miss A eyeliner in pink, I'm going to draw 2 symmetrical lines under my eyes. I'm now going to go on top of that with this silver chunky glitter from an eyeshadow palette and just create almost like a tear-like effect. Et voila! This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful look. Make sure to follow my Instagram, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.